Welcome back to Tech Boss TV. Today we're unboxing something absolutely massive, the legendary ROG Strix XG43VQ gaming monitor. If you love ultra-wide gaming, this display might completely change your setup. The ROG Strix XG43VQ is a 43-inch super ultra-wide curved gaming monitor designed for immersive gameplay and multitasking. This monster display features a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR support, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for ultra-smooth gameplay. Alright, let's get this monitor out. Next, the DisplayPort and HDMI cables, and the power adapter and VISA kit. Inside the box, you get everything needed to start gaming immediately. Cables, mounting hardware, and the massive curved panel itself. Inside the box, you get everything needed to start gaming immediately. Cables, mounting hardware, and the massive curved panel itself. This display is huge, a 43-inch curved panel with an 1800R curve designed to wrap around your field of vision. Ultra-wide 3210 monitor gives you the same viewing area as two monitors side by side, perfect for multitasking. This curved monitor is incredible. The bezel is so thin, it's all get this city drive. The immersion is seamless. This monitor runs at 3840 by 1200 with a fast 120Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. See the difference? 120Hz side is delivering incredibly smooth gameplay. The motion is so fluid with no stuttering at all. You also get display HDR 400 and 90% DCI-P3 color coverage. This ensures incredible color accuracy and brightness. The 120Hz side has vibrant colors and deeper contrast for games and movies. You can really see the difference.
With AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, screen tearing disappears and gameplay feels buttery smooth. That ultra-wide screen gives you a huge competitive advantage in racing and open-world games. You see everything. The monitor also supports picture-by-picture and multi-input display, letting you connect multiple devices at once. So you can game on your PC while watching a stream or monitoring another system. For connectivity, you get DisplayPort, dual HDMI ports, USB hub ports, and built-in stereo speakers. This makes the XG43VQ perfect for gaming PCs, consoles, and streaming setups. So if you want a huge immersive gaming monitor with ultra-wide visuals and smooth performance, the ROG Strix XG43VQ is worth considering. Thanks for watching Tech Boss TV, and I'll see you in the next video.